So today we are to revise chapter 1. Okay, clear? All right, first question is, what are the three phases of computer? Input, process, output, hardware, software, keyboard, mouse, scanner, only input. Yes. Input, process, output. See, the color is changed. The color of input, process, output is changed. Okay, am I clear? Now, what are the various categories of hardware? What are the various categories of hardware? Yes, please. Yes, bete. Input devices, output devices, processing devices, storage devices. So what are the various categories of hardware? Input devices, output devices, processing devices, storage devices. Okay, clear? All right, moving to the next. Name various input devices. Yes. Mouse, keyboard, joystick, trackball, okay, scanner, microphone. First is keyboard, then mouse, then joystick, then scanner, then trackball, webcam, microphone. So these are the input devices. Okay, ट्रैक बॉल बेटा जिसका बॉल ऊपर होता है, एक होता जो पहले माउस थे ना उनका बॉल नीचे होता था, ट्रैक बॉल का माउस ऊपर होता है, आजकल ऑप्टिकल माउस चलते हैं ना. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नेम 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ CPU. Name 3 parts of CPU. CPU is central processing unit, what you call the brain of computer. So what are the 3 parts of CPU? This is the syllabus of your first division test, chapter 1 and Q basic. You know na, chapter 1 and Q basic सब कुछ होगा. Yes, no, 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 no. Yes, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, then control unit, then memory unit. Okay, am I clear? All right. Name some input devices. Output, sorry. Name some output devices. Let me ask from online students. Yes, Kanav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Name some output devices.
Sir, monitor, printer.
Monitor.
Sir,
Next.
printer.
Printer.
Sir, plotter.
Plotter.
Sir, speaker.
Speaker. Monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker. So these are the output device. There is one more, projector. Projector is also an output device. Okay, Clear? All right. Next is name 3 types of software. Name 3 types of software. Yes, Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Your voice is not audible, Bhavesh. Yes. Application software, system software, utility software. Okay? Utility software, right? Now, next is what is an operating system? Give example. Bete, operating system is an interface between user and the hardware. It controls the overall activities of computer system. And what are the examples of operating system? Windows, Linux, Unix and DOS. अच्छा, यहां पे मेरी बात सुनो. अगर आपको हम ये पूछे नेम 2 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और आप लोग ये लिख के आ रहे हो विंडोज 10, विंडोज 7, वो बी क्वाइट, वो एक ही एग्जांपल है. वो विंडोज की अलग अलग वर्जन है और वो एक ही एग्जांपल मानी जाएगी. आप ये मत सोचो विंडोज के 3-4 फॉर्म लिख दोगे तो वो अलग अलग एग्जांपल है. उसको हम एक ही एग्जांपल मानेंगे. Right? So it is an interface between user and hardware. It is the software which controls the overall activities of computer system, right? And examples are Windows, Android, Linux and Unix, DOS. Okay? What are the various types of operating system? Single user, multi-user, multitasking. Now, what is the example of single user? DOS. What is the full form of DOS? Disk operating system. The full form of DOS is disk operating system. Then multi-user. Multi-user is Unix and Linux. And multitasking is Windows. Okay? All right. Steps to use utility software. What are the various steps by which we can use the utility software? Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on System Tools. And okay, clear? So click on Start, click on All Programs, click on Accessories, and click on System Tools. So these are the examples of utility softwares. Got it? All right. What are the various types of utility software? Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Antivirus.
Okay, what else?
Data compression, network utilities, file and disk management.
Yes. Backup utility, antivirus, data compression, network utilities, file managers, disk management. Okay, clear? backup utility, antivirus, data compression, network utilities, file managers, and disk management. These are all the types of utility softwares. Am I clear to all? Online class, am I clear to everyone up till now? वो भी हो सकता है. All right. Now we are to study various types of packages. Okay. Word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, presentation software, and database management system. What you call DBMS, database management system. So these are the type of packages. Presentation graphics software. All right. Moving to the next slide. So first of all, we'll be revising spreadsheet softwares. MS Excel, OpenOffice ORG Calci, Google Sheets, and Lotus 123. These are spreadsheet softwares. Okay, clear online class? Now moving to the next question, examples of word processing softwares. It is MS Word, yes, now MS Word, OpenOffice ORG Writer, Word Perfect, Abhi Word. Okay, these are examples of word processing softwares. Word Star भी हो सकता है, Word Pad भी हो सकता है. Yes, Prerna. Unmute yourself, Prerna.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask
Sir,
something?
answers. Sir, answers देने थे.
Okay. So up till now, I hope all the 14 questions are clear to everyone. Any doubt, any queries, then raise your hand. Anybody having any query, only then raise your hand. Otherwise, lower your hand. All right. Now, presentation softwares. First is MS PowerPoint. Beta, please pay attention on the lecture. MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice ORG Impress, Prezi, and Google Slides. So these are the 4 presentation softwares. Okay. Then is examples of DBMS softwares. DBMS stands for Database Management System. MS Access, OpenOffice ORG Base, Oracle, MySQL, and Sybase. These are examples of DBMS softwares. These are the examples of DBMS softwares. Okay. Then name the software which is made as per the requirements of organization. What is another name of such softwares? Yes. Customized software. The answer is customized software, and another name is tailor-made software. And another name of customized software is tailor-made software. You are not attentive in the lecture. And Monday is your revision test. All right. Name the system used to represent numbers. ऐसा कौन सा सिस्टम है जो नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है? नंबर सिस्टम एंड नेम इट्स टाइप्स ऑल्सो. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम or octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Right? Clear? Then who gave the concept of zero? Aryabhatta. Journal mathematician Aryabhatta. He gave the concept of zero. All right. What are the bases of all types of number system? Decimal number system has base 10. Digits included are. Then come binary number system. Base 2, digits 0 and 1. Then octal number system. Base 8, digits 0 to 7. Hexadecimal, base 16, digits 0 to 50. Am I clear? Clear to all? Online class, am I clear with the revision of chapter 1? All right. Now we will revise chapter of Q basic, because in the first revision test, that is on Monday, you will be having first chapter, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Who developed Q basic and in which year? Don't say sir, just raise your hand. Microsoft in 1985. Microsoft in 1980. Don't shout, bete, don't shout. Which statement is used to clear the output screen? Yes. CLS. CLS. Very right, very clear. All right. Which statement is used to take data from the user? Yes, Suhana, raise your hand. Oh, sorry, unmute yourself.
Sir, A option input.
A option input, very right. Which statement is used to terminate? आप उसको बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ने दे रहे. Don't disturb him, bete. Let him study. Don't disturb him. Which statement is used to terminate the program? Yes, Prerna. End command. Which statement is used to assign a value to the variable? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Let option. C
Let. Very right, very correct. Which statement is used to write some notes in the program? Notes. Yes, Bhavya. Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Sir, C option RAM.
No, bete, no. REM. अच्छा, REM की full form क्या होती है? Remarks. If you want to give comments, if you want to write notes in your QBasic program, you can use RAM command. REM. Beta, stop playing with it. Focus on the lecture, okay? Stop it. Leave it. The values that do not change during the program execution. Yes. Constants. Constants. Which of the following is or are the types of constants? Yes. D option, all above. D option, all above. Which of the following is an example of integer constant? Don't say sir, sir, sir. Don't shout. Which of the following is an example of integer constant? D option 230. अगर पॉइंट्स में हो तो रियल कांस्टेंट, डबल कोट्स में हो तो स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट्स. Which of the following is an example of string constant? Yes. B option, good marks 2. This is the example of string constant. Dash refers to the name of data storage location in computer memory. Variables. Very right, very good. The correct answer is variables. Which of the following is an example of valid string variable? B option. बेटा जब भी आपने string variable बनाना है, you have to add $sign there. Okay. It refers to a single dot in the graphic page. C option, pixel. C option, pixels. Very good. So many hands are raised. Very good. All right. Kanav Sani, you answer this question. Unmute yourself. Kanav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What according to you is the correct answer for this question?
Sir, B option, resolution.
B option, resolution. The amount of pixels per unit area is called resolution. Okay, which is the default screen mode? Yes, screen 0. Screen 0 is the default screen mode. Very right, very correct. How many in medium resolution screen is divided into how many pixels? D option, 320 into 200. 320 into 200. Am I clear to all? In high resolution, A option, 640 into 200. Very good, 7C. Excellent response given today. Which statement is used to set screen resolution? Which statement is used to set screen resolution? Yes, Justin. D option, screen. D option, screen. How many colors are specified? What? 16. 16 color, starting from 0 to 15. In syntax of color statement, color F comma B, what does F signifies? B option, foreground color. B option, foreground color. Am I clear?